Students, today we are going to see the topic Tempest from 10th Standard English. The Tempest was written by William Shakespeare, who was born in the year 1564. That is, born on Stratford upon Avon in England and lived till 1616. He was a famous poet, novelist, dramatist. He was written 37 plays and nearly 154 sonnets, even 2 long narrative poem he wrote. Everyone consider the Tempest was the last play of the William Shakespeare. Now we'll come to the title. What is meant by Tempest? The title shows that a violent storm. The meaning of the title Tempest is a violent storm. We'll move to the characters. The character of the Tempest is Prospero. He was called the Duke of the Milan. People loved the Prospero very much for his loyalty, for his responsibility towards the people. Prospero not only interested in doing noble thoughts to the people, even he concentrated much in reading and also doing magics. Prospero's daughter Miranda. Prospero's daughter, of course, she is the heroine of the story. Antonio, he was the Prospero's brother. When this Prospero was interested in reading books and doing magics, he gave some responsibilities to Antonio. Next, King of Naples. Who is this King of Naples? He was Alonso. Of course, he was the enemy of the Prospero, but King of Naples was the best friend of Antonio. Antonio disliked the kingship of the Prospero. In order to exile the Prospero, Antonio received the King of Naples' help. So both Antonio and the King of Naples exiled Prospero out of his kingdom. I shall repeat. Prospero's enemy was King of Naples, but this King of Naples was a good friend of Antonio. Antonio disliked his brother. He wanted to possess the kingship. He wanted to possess the kingdom, and so he disliked his brother. Antonio planned to exile his brother out of his kingdom. In order to exile out of his kingdom, he sought the help of the King of Naples named Alonso. And so he was called the enemy of Prospero. Next, Sycorax. So after the exile from the kingdom, Prospero was in an island. Prospero and Miranda alone was in an island. So in an island, the entire people were arrested and they were under the control of a Sycorax. So they were in an island, and in that island the entire spirit were under the control of the Sycorax, a witch and an old enemy of Ariel. Who was this Ariel? Ariel, chief of all spirits, a good spirit, head of the spirit was the Ariel. The Sycorax Sycorax kept all the spirits under his control. Only because of this Prospero, the entire spirits got released. Next, Gonzalo. Who is this Gonzalo? A kind lord of Prospero's court. I told you, Antonio's plan was to exile the Prospero out of his kingdom. So this plan already known to the Gonzalo. So when Prospero was left alone in the sea, when Prospero was left alone in a small boat along with Miranda, he gave all the sufficient needs, like he gave the water and provisions, magic books, everything secretly helped the Prospero. And so Prospero called Gonzalo a kind lord in his court. Next, Caliban. Who is this Caliban? An ugly monster and of course son of a Sycorax. Sycorax, witch. The son of the Sycorax was Caliban. Ferdinand. Who is this Ferdinand? Son of Alonso. Alonso, of course, the enemy of the Prospero. So Alonso's son was Ferdinand. Right? Will come. So in due course of time, Prospero gave some responsibilities to his younger brother Antonio. Antonio, being too possessive, he wanted to attain the kingdom. He tuned all the people according to he danced all the people, he made all the people to dance according to his tune. So the entire kingdom, the entire people in the court became against the Prospero. So Antonio had a plan. Antonio, along with the king of the Naples, that is Alonso, took the Prospero to the sea. When they lodged out at the sea, the Prospero and Miranda were asked to enter in a small boat. Who were asked to enter in a small boat? Prospero and Miranda alone left to a small boat. So already this was known to Gonzalo. So Gonzalo, knowing this plan, he kept in a secret place in the small boat. What are the provisions? Water, provisions, magical books, everything, and he kept everything secretly in the same boat where Prospero and Miranda were left alone. Actually, why this Antonio left them alone? In order to perish. But they were alive, they were safe in an island. So that island was actually belongs to Sycorax. Sycorax, a witch. And Sycorax was a witch. Sycorax kept all the spirits under her control. So this using the magic, as Prospero was very much interested in magic, knowing the magics, he released all the spirits free. And so in order to be gratitude to the Prospero, all the spirits started working for the Prospero. Ariel was one of the chief of the noble of all the spirits. So in the meantime, after 12 years, Prospero once again came to know that his brother Antonio and the king of Naples and the enemies they are sailing on the ship. So he had a plan. Prospero had a plan. He planned to wreck a ship. So with the help of the Ariel, he created a tempest in the sea. That is, he created a violent storm in the sea. So I tell you again, when Prospero came to know his younger brother Antonio, king of Naples, Alonso, Ferdinand and other enemies were sailing in the ship, he sought the help of the Ariel. Who was this Ariel? Chief of all spirits, he was Ariel. So with the help of the Ariel, he planned to wreck the ship. He created a violent storm in the sea. That is nothing but tempest in the sea, and the entire ship was wrecked. Ariel was ordered by the Prospero to make all the people on the ship to be separated. They were left alone. So they were, they became unconscious, and he also ordered Ariel to bring Ferdinand to the Miranda's room. So in order to get married to the Miranda and Ferdinand, he ordered Ariel to bring Ferdinand to the Miranda's cave. Right? So why this Ariel made all the inmates unconscious? Because they have to make, because it was the advice of the Prospero to make them realize their mistakes. So because of the magical power, they realized the mistake that they had done injustice to Prospero. So with that mistake, the Prospero advised Ariel to bring back them to their present situation. When they came to the present, when they realized their mistake, Prospero forgave them. Prospero forgave Antonio, king of Naples, and everyone and all the enemies. And he even thanked the Gonzalo, because who helped him a lot when he was left alone in a small boat. So with that, Ferdinand and Miranda got married, and Prospero again became the Duke of the Milan. So why the Prospero? The Prospero created wreck in the sea not to revenge, but to forgive the enemies. That's all. He did not like to take revenge on the enemies, revenge on the younger brother, but to make them realize a mistake and also to forgive them. With this, the Tempest story ends. Thank you, students.